If you want to mute camera sound on the Samsung Galaxy S26, then unfortunately there is no dedicated switcher or button that would allow you to simply disable the camera sound, the shutter sound. However, there is a little trick that we can do. Generally speaking, if we go to settings and choose sounds and vibration and then proceed to volume, then over here we have the system volume, which includes the camera sound. Therefore, you can simply disable the system sound. You can mute system sounds completely in order to mute the camera sound. But if you still want to use system sounds, but just not in the camera, so if you don't want to have the camera sound at all, but you wish to have system sounds regardless, then we can create a routine. So if we go to routines, modes and routines over here, and then at the bottom switch to routines, we can use this plus button at the top. Here we need to add a trigger, so we're gonna choose if. Over here we're gonna need to find app opened. There we go. And in here we're gonna choose the camera and tap on done. Then we need to choose what should happen when that app is open. So we're gonna go over here and we need to choose sounds and vibration. Then we're gonna go for the sound mode and volume. And now in here you can turn the system volume down to 0% and tap on done. And of course we're gonna save it. Over here we can of course adjust the appearance of the routine, the icon of it, and the name. So we can, for example, set it something like mute camera, just to know what it is exactly later on. We're gonna tap on done and save the routine. Alright, so now if I go to the camera and if I press the shutter button, there we go. After a second, so immediately it won't work, but after a second, as you can hear, there is no shutter sound whatsoever. And if I exit the camera, the routine should be deactivated and the system sound volume should be back as it was. But usually it takes like 2 or 3 seconds to actually turn the routine on, so keep that in mind. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.